How to sign up and create account on Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your device. If you don't have the app installed yet, download it from your device app store and install it. Next, tap on Get Started button to begin creating your account. You will need to provide a US mobile phone number or an email address that you want to link with your Zelle account. Make sure this information is active, as Zelle will send a verification code to confirm it. After entering your email or phone number, tap Next and follow the prompts to verify your identity. Zelle will send a one-time security code via text or email. Enter the code to proceed. Next, link your bank account or debit card to your Zelle account. Enter the necessary banking information such as account number and routing number. This will allow you to send and receive money through Zelle. Once your bank account is linked and verified, your Zelle account is ready to use. You can now send and receive money with friends, family, or businesses easily and securely. Now you know how to sign up and create an account on Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.